how to make up to $600 or more with TAPSWAP by September 2024. Hello, welcome to this very quick and short update and tutorial. Yes, it's a tutorial because we're going to show you, even if you're a beginner, you've not done TAPSWAP before, you're just getting started, you're watching this video for the very first time, you heard about TAPSWAP for the very first time. This tutorial is going to guide you through from scratch to know what to do right from here, right now, and how you can make up to $600 from TAPSWAP by September this year. This is this is just a day to the end of July, and yes, if you have been on TAPSWAP, you can just watch this video to the end and you're going to get that secret. Hello, if this is your first time stopping by, I want to say a very big thank you to you. I appreciate you so much. And if you're a returning subscriber, merci beaucoup, gracias, tibik, sexy, namaste, obrigado, ogambaki, midawase, merci, eshe pupodalu, imela nagode, anoa kane. All right, please, if I'm here to say thank you in your own language, please go ahead and let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and I can tell you thank you in your local dialects. All right, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let all your loved ones get to know about this particular video, this video in particular, yes, because it has a whole lot inside it. Don't miss a word, don't miss any second in this video. Watch to the end. Remember to smash the notification bell so that as soon as I drop the next important video for you, you'll be the very first to get notified. Okay, quickly, let's get down to the task of the moment. Now, if you watched the cinema code or the cinema code video for yesterday, that should be task 2 or task 3 yesterday, yes, where it talks about how I make 1 million coins. 1 million coins, yes. Now, in the token channel of TAPSWAP, a lot of clues were given. If you really watch that video, it's about 8 minutes or so. Take your time and watch the video, and you find out what I mean. Right? If you're already in TAPSWAP, you understand what I mean. You know, we carry out daily tasks. Okay, so in that video, there was a clue. There were clues given, several clues, not just one. Now, one of the clues given is about when is likely TAPSWAP is going to list. Right? I'm going to talk about it in this video, and it also talked about how much your TAPSWAP could be worth by the time it's listed. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can make up to $600 or more by September this year when TAPSWAP launches. Okay, so let's get started. Now, to start with, you must join TAPSWAP. If you're here to join TAPSWAP, meaning you are a complete novice, you just hear about TAPSWAP, or you've been hearing about TAPSWAP, you didn't know you can join, or you think that it's already late. No, it's not yet late. It's not yet too late, right? Okay, so if you're already on TAPSWAP, or you're already on high speed, or you're slow, or you're just getting started, watch this video. Okay, so now, to get started with TAPSWAP, first off, you need a link. You need someone to refer you. Yes, so you get the link in the description of this video. So that's the first referral. You get started with it and start. And so once you get started, you need a Telegram. Yes, you need Telegram to actually operate TAPSWAP because it's a Web3 project launched on Ton Network on Telegram, and most likely to be launched on the Ton Network. So now, as soon as you come in, you appear here first, and look at here. This place is what you call the energy limit, right? I have 10,000 here. I think you could start with 500, and then that's one. Number two, here we are seeing legendary. It starts you out at bronze at Wood League from 0. So as soon as you join, you are moved to this place with 5,000. You are moved to the bronze league, and as soon as you get here, what you do here is to tap. And when you're tapping, you're seeing plus 20 now. It will show you plus 1. All right, that's your tap, your profit per tap. So what you do at that point, don't just go on and start tapping. You want to gather enough coins to boost your results, right? So what the first thing you should do is to go to task. So under task here, you first of all look at this: join our socials. Carry out the task. You join Telegram. You join TAPSWAP on Telegram, you join TAPSWAP on Twitter, you join TAPSWAP on other social media platforms. Join them, and what do you get? $600 coins. All right, 600 coins. Now join our YouTube, you get 1 million coins. So you just subscribe to YouTube, you get 1 million coins already instantly. Do you understand? So you have already got 1.6 million coins. Then you go ahead again, join Token YouTube channel, you get another 1 million coins. When we started, Token YouTube channel wasn't there. This YouTube channel wasn't there. So you now you're getting involved instantly. You get 2.6 million already. Just carrying out these three tasks. 2.6 million in the cooler. And so what should you do with that? You come down to boost. Under boost, all right. Here daily booster, I'm going to first of all use up this thing so that before it expires, let me use it up before. Now after, there's usually 3 daily booster here. Once you use it up right now, this is a video to watch, it's an ad. If I watch it 15 seconds, I'll receive another booster filler. So I'll do this one first, then I'll do this one. This one is a more like a booster. All right, so let me tap here now to watch the video, to watch the ad. So let me watch the ad. So as I watch the ad, 15 seconds, okay, if you like, tap on the ad. So 15 seconds and the ad is ready. So it's full tank now. I grab it. Then the next one is here. I watch this one again too. You watch this. After 15 seconds also, you are given that. So I just quickly, this one now, I did it secondly because that's when we start tapping with it, because that one you need to exhaust it within seconds, right? Okay, let's go. So I start tapping, grab it, and then start tapping. So you can see it's multiplied my tap profit per tap by 5, 20,600. So, and now when you are tapping, also tap with multiple fingers. Don't tap with one finger. Get the most of it. I'm going to talk about tapping shortly. So tap with multiple fingers so that you can exhaust in time, like I've exhausted it now, and now tapping to exhaust 10,000. So when you tap with multiple fingers, you tap faster, you get faster, and then you build up faster because tapping counts. All right, I'm going to show you where your tapping counts. Okay, let me exhaust this, then I'll show you where your tapping counts. Okay, I'm going to show you where your tapping counts. So now I'll come back to it. So now when you check here, tap on this place. You see this value you see here, 29,989,452. This is how many taps I've done. By the time I do 50 million taps, I'll enter mythic level, which is the highest level in TAPSWAP. So, like I was explaining, all these are taps. This is about 29 million taps, almost 30 million taps. You must tap to get this one. This one is not from bonuses. What can you use those bonuses for? Let's come here. Let's go to boost again. So once you get those bonuses, tapping is not the first thing. First off, look at this multi-tap. The highest level is 20. So use it and buy at least boost up to 5 levels. You pay some of these coins to boost. Then energy limit boost. In fact, the first one you should even get to is this one. This tab bot, immediately pay 200 for it, 200,000 for it. This tab bot, what it does for you is that when you log out, for example, let me refresh. When you refresh, okay, maybe, or I will stay away. If you stay away for a while, when you're offline, the tap bot will be tapping on your behalf. Now it taps for you for up to 12 hours. Yes, meaning that when you are away, that tap bot can work for you for up to 12 hours. So that's why the first thing you do is to buy the tap bot. You have almost 1.6 million already. Use 200,000 and buy the tap bot. Then after that, you now want to. This is the recharge speed. Do you understand? Recharging speed. 5 levels is the highest. So buy recharge. That means as soon as you're tapping now, if I exhaust, you can see that you got to a point now, it's almost full already. Because that's the recharge. I'm on the highest recharge speed. If I bring it down and finish this now, by the time I come back in an hour's time, this thing would have filled up again. So that means I can have much more time, much more to tap. And what is that for? Because I'm going to talk about why it's important shortly. But let's finish up here. So then the energy limit has to do with this. You see, I'm on 10,000. You may start with 500. So you keep buying the energy limit, boosting it until you get to 10,000, which is the highest limit. All right, keep boosting, and then and then and then and then you have the multi-tap. So this multi-tap, keep on buying until you get to this level. See, that 1.6 million will not be enough to buy all. So make sure you buy the tap board first, and then buy this other one, break them down. Maybe achieve 30 levels for each or 4 levels for each, as much as that can take you. And that's it. So you now come to tapping. So keep tapping and tapping and tapping until you get to, and get there. Now the reason is that, how can you make $600 from TAPSWAP by September? TAPSWAP is likely going to launch in September. From the clues we got from the videos yesterday, they are likely going to launch on the third quarter of this year, and that should be around September ending. And when they launch, their value may not be as much as Notcoin, but the way Notcoin distributed their tokens, that's the same way they're going to do it. But warning, don't use bots. Don't use bots to tap, because they are working on making sure that they yank off everyone who is using bot, or you have multiple accounts, they will yank those things off. Notcoin did it, and they also want to do the same thing. So you want to ensure that you are on the right track. You are not violating any rules. Okay, so just keep tapping and keep refilling. So now you are given 3 full tank here, and then Tap Guru 3 every day. So when I exhausted mine, I exhausted this. Once you exhaust it, currently now, as soon as you exhaust it, they will give you bonus. Just watch ad here. But once you can see, you see the ad that I watched. So once you watch this one first always, because this one will stay and wait for you. But if you watch this one first, you must tap it before anything. So I usually watch this first. Then when I then watch this, I can now tap the 2 of them, the booster. So that will be helping to boost your coins here. All right, stats. My stats is 604.6 now. This is the total shares. They will break it down. When it's time, they will work with this, and they will also work with this. All right. So from the video yesterday, it was mentioned that if you have 50 million TAPSWAP coins, there is a possibility that the token you'll be given will translate to about $600. So meaning that you can walk your way through, and then the next way to really generate more coins to boost your levels here is referral. You see, I didn't start with referral, but it's important at this point. So if you come to referral, just go to tax first. Let's go to tax. Under ref here, you see referrals. So here, when you invite up to 25 people, you get 250,000. I think the invite 5 people has how much you get. I think I've exceeded that, so I can't see that now. If I reach 25 people, I'll get 250k. If you get 50k, 50,000, 50 friends, you get 300k. Invite 100 people, you get 500k. Invite 500 people, you get 2 million, and then invite 1,000 and you get 2.5 million. So if you have this one, invite 10,000, is it 10,000? Yes, and get 10 million. Invite 100,000 and you get 100 million. So for those who have a large followership, this is a no-brainer for you, and you're able to actually build up and then get enough coins to now come to the boost and boost your opportunities, so that you'll be able to now tap more. So your tapping is what brings it to you. So with this explanation, I believe that you now understand that it's possible for you still, no matter how much TAPSWAP coins you have here, you can still push it to 50 million before September ending. So go ahead and start working. You are starting today. Get a link in the description and get started immediately and start tapping. Carry out all the tasks. Now, another thing before I forget is that every day there is a daily cinema task, about 3 to 4 every day. Always check on this channel. I drop them every day. I just need 1 to 2 for today. For today, the next 1 or 2 will still come up. So once it comes here, you come watch the video and then enter the results you found, and then you are given 200,000. At the end of the time you complete the set, is 2 million coins. So that's also how to boost your coins here up to 50 million before September. Make sure you carry out all those cinema tags, and that is what will position you. All right. I believe that with this, you're able to get started and build your way up to make 50 million TAPSWAP coins, to be able to get $600 by September this year. If you got value from this, go ahead and smash the like button, like this video, share this video, let all that you know get involved with this. And thank you very much. I appreciate you. God bless you. See you in my next video.